Are you over 40 and feeling more tired than you used to? Have you noticed your energy slipping, your belly growing, or your confidence in the bedroom fading? What if I told you the real problem isn't age, it is low testosterone, and there are natural ways to fix it? Stay with me because today I will show you how to boost testosterone naturally after 40, so you can revive your energy, strength, and vitality. Hi, I am Jennifer, your natural health coach for life after 40. And let me be honest, many of my subscribers have asked about this, so today I am covering it in detail. After 40, testosterone levels in men begin to decline sometimes by 1% every single year. That might not sound like much, but it adds up. And the signs are hard to ignore. Lower energy, less muscle, stubborn belly fat, reduced stamina, and yes, even confidence issues. But here is the good news, I have researched this topic deeply. And here is what studies and natural wellness experts recommend. Based on medical studies and wellness practices, there are simple, safe, natural ways to revive testosterone levels without risky pills or expensive treatments. So let's dive into the exact strategies you can start using today and stick around until the end, because I will share how you can download my free ebook, 7 Natural Ways to Revive Your Energy and Confidence, which doctors don't tell you about. Plus, I will tell you about a natural supplement that thousands of men over 40 are already using successfully. Let's start with the foundation. Your lifestyle has more power over testosterone than you think. Chronic stress. One of the biggest testosterone killers is chronic stress. When stress is high, cortisol spikes, and cortisol is like kryptonite for testosterone. It blocks your body's ability to produce enough of it. So if you are constantly stressed, rushing from one thing to another, or not taking time to recharge, your testosterone will stay low. The fix? Start simple. Even 10 minutes of meditation, deep breathing, or an evening walk can lower cortisol, that in turn frees up your body to make more testosterone. Quick question, what is your go-to stress relief right now? TV, a walk, or maybe nothing at all? Comment below, I would love to see what helps you relax. Food. Now let's talk about food. What you eat can either raise or wreck your testosterone. Processed carbs, too much sugar, and excess alcohol all lower your levels. But foods rich in zinc, vitamin D, and healthy fats support testosterone naturally. Think eggs, salmon, avocado, nuts, spinach, lean beef. These foods provide the building blocks your body needs. And here is something powerful. Studies show men who get enough vitamin D and zinc have significantly higher testosterone levels than those who don't. If you already eat foods like eggs or salmon regularly, hit the like button. I want to know who is already fueling their body the right way. Exercise. Next up is exercise. But here is the truth. Not all workouts are equal when it comes to testosterone. Endless cardio, like jogging on a treadmill for an hour, actually increases cortisol and lowers testosterone. What works best? Strength training and short bursts of high-intensity movement. When you lift weights or do bodyweight resistance training, your muscles send signals that trigger testosterone production. Even 20 minutes of push-ups, squats, and resistance bands 2 or 3 times a week can boost levels. Would you like me to create a separate follow-up video showing a complete 10-minute testosterone-boosting workout you can do at home? If yes, comment testosterone workout below. Sleep. Another major factor is sleep. If you are cutting your nights short, your testosterone will pay the price. Most testosterone is produced while you sleep. If you are only getting 5 or 6 hours, your levels can drop by 10 to 15% in just 1 week. So if you are serious about boosting testosterone, aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality rest every night. That means creating a calm routine, turning off screens and giving your body time to recharge. Be honest. How many hours of sleep do you usually get on average? Type 5, 6, 7 or 8 in the comments. I will be watching to see how my community is doing. Weight management. Let us not forget weight management. Excess belly fat is one of the biggest enemies of testosterone because fat tissue actually converts testosterone into estrogen. That is why so many men notice belly fat growing and energy shrinking at the same time. The good news is, when you start eating better, moving more, and managing stress, your body fat decreases and your testosterone rises naturally. It is a cycle you can flip in your favor. If belly fat is your biggest struggle right now, type belly fat in the comments. Also, if you want to know how to lose belly fat after 40, naturally without crazy diets or gym equipment, then please check out the video in the I button on top right corner. So to recap, lower stress, eat testosterone-friendly foods, prioritize strength training, get better sleep, and reduce belly fat. These natural changes, backed by medical studies and wellness practices, can give your testosterone the boost it needs after 40. And when that happens, your energy, confidence, and vitality all come back. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, this sounds great, but how do I put all of this into a clear plan I can actually follow? Do not worry, I created something just for you. It is a free ebook called 7 Natural Ways to Revive Your Energy and Confidence, which doctors don't tell you about inside. I have laid out the exact foods, exercises, and lifestyle habits we talked about today, plus additional tips that I did not even cover in this video. You can download it for free right now. The link is below this video. Do not miss it. And because so many men have asked me about safe options, I have also included information on a natural supplement that thousands of guys over 40 are already using to support testosterone energy and vitality. You can find the link in description and pinned comment. So here is the truth. Low testosterone after 40 is not a life sentence. It is not something you have to accept. With the right natural changes, you can take back your energy, build strength, reduce belly fat, and feel like yourself again. Before you go, here is what I would love for you to do. Hit that subscribe button right now, so you do not miss my next videos on weight loss, vitality, and natural health after 40. Like this video, if you learned something new today, it helps YouTube show this to more men who need it. Comment below with your biggest struggle right now. Is it low energy, belly fat, or confidence? I will be reading every answer and creating videos for you. And finally, do not forget to grab your free ebook, 7 Natural Ways to Revive Your Energy and Confidence, in the description below. Inside, you will also find details about the natural supplement thousands are already using successfully. You deserve to feel strong, confident, and energized, not just in your 40s, but for decades to come. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.